Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make biscotti. I have here 3/4 cup of sugar. To that we're going to add 2 eggs, 1/2 cup of oil. Using olive oil, you can use vegetable oil or any oil of your choice. Let's beat it really nice and soft. To this we are going to add 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract or vanilla and 1 tablespoon of fennel powder. Let's go ahead and mix this evenly along with the sugar and egg and oil. Let's go ahead and add 1 more egg and beat it on high speed, or if you're using a stand mixer, you use setting number 8 to beat it, and then beat it for like 2 minutes. Let's now go ahead and add 3 cups of all-purpose flour and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. So mix the all-purpose flour and baking powder together so we can slowly start adding this flour into our mixture. So make sure you're just adding 2 scoops at a time. As our mixture is getting blended, let's go ahead and preheat the oven for 370 degrees Fahrenheit. The dough with 1 teaspoon of clarified butter or ghee and a pinch of salt. Let's add a teaspoon of blanched almonds and mix it for 1 more minute. Try to scrape the side and bring the dough all together. And let's mix it for 1 more minute. Brush your tray and layer the dough. So what I did was I just put some oil in my palm and just divided the dough into 2 portions and just flatten it out here on the tray. We're going to bake it for 30 minutes until it's nice and fluffy. So let's come and have a look at it after 30 minutes. So we have finished baking our first round. I'm going to let it cool until I can actually slice it into small pieces, and then we're going to rebake it. So let it cool for like probably 10 minutes. I've used a baking tray layered with a little bit of parchment paper. Over that, just slice and layer your biscotti, and then we're going to bake it again for 7 minutes. Go ahead and flip it over and bake the other side for 6 minutes. The biscotti is ready. Let's go ahead and serve it. Our biscotti is ready. Hope you like the biscotti recipe. If you want, you can add more sugar. I like it little with less sugar, so I've added little less quantity. You can increase the quantity according to your taste. Hope you like this recipe. Please like, comment, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.